Hi guys, now I'm working on this particular sari. It's a pattu sari from India, and I'm planning to make it into a bedspread like how I have done this. So what I have done so far is remove the border from only one side. I did not remove from the other side. Yeah, I just removed the one side of the border. So after I removed the border, this is I have exactly folded the sari into two halves. So I see that it's coming this far, this side, and I don't need much here, so it's okay. And when I come to the other side, it is this far, so I think I'm good here. But the only thing I have to see is if I'll be cutting it, and then the lower part, if I put it here, it's going to be like too tight. I need it to fall back, like how I have done in this sari. I have used a white cloth to connect it, and it just holds the bed sheet back, and we cannot see that because the pillows are kept there. So this is the next plan. We have to cut it here at this portion. We have to cut here, but what I am planning to do is the border is beautiful. Usually I get rid of the borders, border, not border, the pallu. This is called pallu, this special design, but for this saree I want to keep the pallu. So what I'm planning to do is I will show you. So guys, there will be a lot of walking around the bed, but see, this is how I have done. I have pushed this portion into the middle of the bed so that we can enjoy the whole beautiful design and all that. And this side also, the maroon will come. Even this side, the maroon color will come. Now next what I have to do is I have to stitch these two portions. I will be stitching these two, and now I will be cutting it from here, from this side and this side and this side, and I will be joining them too. That I'll show once I'm done. So guys, I have stitched this one. See, I want to show I have stitched the edges like this. Now I will adjust this design in a proper place, and I will show you. So I have arranged this cloth, and I'm planning to have the design here, and it's going to be like this. It will come till here, so that is good. And here also it is coming till here. Okay, so we will cut here and we will do the rest. So after cutting that portion, I have stitched the two portions lengthwise, and I have done the edges also. So now I will spread it and I will share with you. So finally it is done. So this is how the bedspread is looking. Just ignore the white portion because that is coming from the other bed sheet that is under this, so it will look cool without that. And I left this pallu here. Just I wanted to give a new look, and I don't know how it looks in the video, but it is very nice in the room. It's looking very different and very new. So let me know guys, what do you think, and what is your opinion. This is a pattu saree, pure silk one from India. Thank you for watching my video. Have a wonderful day.